My name is Duncan Cameron. I own a courier company called Speedy Couriers that we started in the mid-90s with one other of my business partner. We came up with it really on the golf course, and I decided we could do it because the marketplace could do with another option. You had established, experienced companies in the marketplace, but not nimble, sharp companies that were able to use technology and innovation to really propel a company and give customers solutions that they really needed. It became really obvious that you could not run a company on RTs. Within 6 or 7 RTs, you've got the airwaves completely clogged. How do you go to 10 and to 20? How do you really grow it? So we started using telecom pages. And that was good. We designed our own messaging system, and we were firing all out our own messages. We didn't have to pay the 15-cent type text message. We avoided that. We used the technology. And then ultimately we moved away from that, and we designed the technologies to use phones to send out messages back and forth without the need for expensive data terminals and the stuff you wire under the bonnet of a car. And we were constantly looking out for what could the marketplace give us that we could make affordable for a courier to actually drive for us, to keep his costs down and not need heaps of money locked up in a system, but still deliver high-speed data back and forth. Very simply, the growth of our company using data devices that sent messages back and forth were great for letting a customer know in real time that someone had received the goods. His name was David, customers love that. But where you have issues of needing to show it by a signature, you either go down the road of a very expensive PDA device, typical of many of the courier companies, or you can go to a simple device like an Android, and you can simply have a driver sign it. D.A. Cameron. Transmit that message, add it back into your system so they can both see a name and a signature of those goods in real time. Once again, you're being innovative with the technology that's out there, accessing the data plans that companies like Telecom provide at a good rate, and being very smart about bringing technology into a solution of getting the parcel to the customer and being able to show the audit trail from the start to the finish, time in, time out, signed for, delivered, and if necessary, if you ever want a legal situation about it, we can produce a signature. We did trial the telecom device in tandem with our existing provider for over a month. We could see no noticeable issues or problems with the ability for drivers to transmit and send messages back and forth so that customers could still see their name pop up as fast as a job was delivered as to who signed for the goods. Therefore, the way was clear to give telecom a go. Nobody knows coverage like a courier company. Every single driver going around Auckland like bees around a honeypot, any holes in coverage, no one can tell you about a hole better than a courier company. The first thing we noticed about telecom were there no holes, period. There were no holes.